CNC production, man. We fix cars, houses, buildings. Hey, man, get the building, man. Hey, y'all, this about to get real serious today.
Y'all should have brought a, you wanna go outside to the truck? You can go out there and grab us for something. I need something to mark with. Because Chandler took my thing.
Yeah, I mean.
You said you took it.
Come on, bro. They know they dead. I'm OCD mother. I ain't gonna lie to you. You said 92.6.
I'm not gonna be here.
Playing music, bro.
That's August Alazina. What you talking about, boy? You don't know about him? You a youngster. Yeah, he a youngster. He don't know nothing about him. I listen to music, bro. As long as they got a good groove and I'm in my groove, it's a rap. That was the fun part, though. We just built that whole wall up.
That ain't what's causing that, dude.
Bring y'all up in here. Man, check out the battery, you know what I'm saying? Brought that. I took this up off the ground myself personally. Got all the stuff up out of there. Put the, you know what I'm saying, the paint all on the ground as y'all can see. It's real firm, man, real firm. Now all I'm missing is the sink. You know what I'm saying? We working, man. We working. Get serious. Where do y'all gonna put over that though? I think it look right. Oh, just the wall?
It's gonna get painted, yeah, this is it. These are like 17 inches apart.
Oh, no, I didn't look at the back. I didn't see that y'all put them up. Oh, y'all was working.
I wanna go.
A few moments later.
We need a compromise because I want to go right in the middle.
Yes, I'm saying I'm gonna cut it a little short.
Right in the middle. So that way we can piece both of them panels in there and screw them right next to each other.
Yeah, we cut this a little short, we'll be right in there. Or you can measure it. That way you know you got the exact amount.
Go a ½ inch over from this line and cut it. Right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
That was smooth, Pops. That was smooth, dog. I like it.
Y'all need to don't really try it. Saying shit. You ain't telling me to do nothing. I'm just standing here. Nigga, try. I'll let you try. Try to cut. That's what I'm saying. Like you gotta try to learn. That's how I'll be learning.
Yeah, I'll cut.
You gotta try this shit. He gonna mark it for you. All you gotta do, see what I'm saying right here? You wanna keep the line right in the middle of that. Now you gotta do the sickest little this and this. There you go. Hold on, I'm almost line it up for you. What'd you say? What you need? Oh, my fault.
You get this?
Yeah. I got you.
Charlie, what you think?
I'm gonna let him cook me. No, because you gotta walk along the side of it.
So I'm left. Now hold this part right.
We cut them.
Take this right here, line it up with this. So make sure you stay in it.
How you turn it
I
on?
don't like this though, because this is up.
Oh
That's why
man,
I like
y'all come on, man. You ready, bro? Let's go.
this one. You just go right in the middle of this.
Yeah, that one better.
Y'all just ain't got it. That's all. Look how easy that is. Just like butter. That boy goes just like butter.
Nigga, please. Like nigga, please.
See that right there? Look at the line. Look at the line right there. Follow the line right there. That's all you gotta do.
Mama, there go that man.
Anytime you do that, you can't go up like this. You gotta stay flat. You can't push it up in the air.
I don't like this ceiling tile, bro.
You ain't trying to Hercules that motherfucker. All you gotta do is carry it like that, son.
I'm trying to get it straight.
No, you just wanna be strong in the camera, motherfucker. Right over here. Look at you, bro.
He gone.
You probably look like this.
The cut side going in.
Yeah, you just. No, come on, Tim. We got it.
Dang, Pops, you running over there.
Man.
I ain't cutting it.
Yeah, I know you ain't cutting it. That's the point. But you know me with the cut.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing, y'all. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing this to waste time. They not showing me what to do, and then when I do it, they saying I'm doing it wrong. Hey, man. See, look, it's a hole. Show y'all. Get up. Come on. This is where I come in effect. I'm going to take this pink shit. I'm going to put it at the bottom. This is a reflex thing. I don't like it. I ain't never did this. I be scared. Hold on. Nigga, let it drop, nigga. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I didn't know that my dad could take ceiling tiles off the ground, take the sink, pull up the what's it called, the toilet up out of the ground. He picked up all the doo-doo from around the toilet ring. He know how to do all of this shit, and I swear I'm not even trying to roast my pops, but I've never seen him do none of this at the crib, bro. Like, no cap. I ain't never really seen him fix too much stuff around the crib. Now, he do work on the cars. I gotta give him that. He know a little bit about some cars and trucks and shit like that. But, man, I was shocked. I was just standing there like, man, like, did y'all know? I asked Corny. I'm like, bro, did you know Pops knew I do this shit? Chandler did. Chandler was cocky when he came down. He was like, yeah, I do this, I do that, man. So, I figured that's why Pops got him in on the job. Now, Chandler, he's my cousin's boyfriend. I never really introduced him on the vlog before, but now I'm introducing him right now. He was in my last video too when Kwani threw the basketball tournament, and I don't think I like really introduced him, so that's who he is. They was doing a whole lot of arguing. Like, Kwani didn't get all of the arguing because he was trying to make us a mixtape, so that's why the footage looked like that, y'all. That's why I put shot by TQ and then edited by me, because this really wasn't even supposed to be a vlog. This is supposed to be just a mixtape, but Kwani had enough footage for me to make it into a vlog, so I did that for y'all. So make sure y'all like the video. Shout out to Pops though. He was really trying to be on some father-son bonding type shit. He's like, Booty, you gotta learn how to do this, because when I was your age, I was doing this. I knew how to do all this. I don't know, bro. I was just there. But I'm still part of CC&C construction, bro. I'm just mainly the cameraman, as y'all can see. One thing I can say that I learned from this experience, though, is that I don't know how to do shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how to do shit besides sweep. I was taking the little boards and just throwing them. I did a couple measurements. I really don't know how to do shit, so in these next two vlogs, y'all gonna see me learning, but it's mainly on some funny shit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Pops, you really did shock me, bro. Like, I'm shocked with you. I mean, I really didn't know. People think that I try to joke when I say that my dad is a coach, accountant, professor. He do construction, he builds walls, fences. Like, what hasn't this done? What hasn't he done? He told me he used to sing too, bro. Not a nigga like Usher, Michael. Hey, man, I don't know, man.